In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple signatures in DocuSign. We'll walk through this process from start to finish, so by the end you'll know exactly how to prepare a document that needs to be signed in more than one place by the same person. First, open your browser and go to your DocuSign dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your documents and sending tools. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option that says Get Signatures. This is the starting point for sending any document out to be signed. Go ahead and click on Get Signatures. DocuSign will now prompt you to add the file you want to be signed. On this screen, click on the Upload button. This lets you choose a document from your computer or device. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the folder where your document is saved, select the correct file, and confirm your choice. Give it a moment to upload, and you should then see a preview or the file name listed in DocuSign. Next, you need to tell DocuSign who will be signing the document. In the recipient section, type in the name of the person who needs to sign. This helps you keep track of who each signature belongs to, especially when you're working with multiple documents or recipients. Then, in the email field, enter that person's email address carefully. This is where DocuSign will send the signing request, so double check that there are no typos. Once the recipient details look correct, click on Next, Add Fields. This will take you into the document editor, where you can place the actual signature fields on the page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of fields you can add. Find the signature field, click on it, and drag it onto your document. Drop it exactly where you want the recipient to sign. You can adjust the position by dragging it and resize it if needed, so it fits neatly in the signature area. To add multiple signatures for the same person, simply repeat this process. Click on Signature again and drag another signature field to the next spot where a signature is required. Do this as many times as you need throughout the document, placing each signature field in the correct location. When you're confident all signature fields are in place and everything looks good, go to the top or bottom of the screen and click on Send. DocuSign will email the recipient with a link to sign in all the spots you've marked, and your multi-signature document is ready to go.